Today we're going to make a very easy recipe stuffed bell peppers, which is gonna be looking like this for dinner. So let's get cooking. I am using 4 peppers, and before that let's wash them and put it aside. Next, we're going to cut the top of the peppers and save the top of the peppers. Please be careful with a knife. Be sure clean everything, scoop out all the guts inside the pepper for the stuffing. Arrange all the peppers inside the baking pan, which I have a baking glass bowl. Slice out all the peppers that from the top that we saved earlier. Next, put it aside. Next, we're getting ready to blanch the peppers, so fill up the water in the pot and put it on the stove. Cover the pot so the water boils quicker. Since I don't have a big enough of the pot, I usually do 2 peppers at a time. Carefully with a fork or spatula, turn the pepper around in the water until it's soft, about 5 minutes. Once it's done, pick it up and toss the water and put it aside. Next, repeat with the other 2 peppers with the same step. Next, let's prepare the onion and the garlic. I am using half of the big red onion. Peel the skin out. Then chop the onion. Put it aside. Chop 5 cloves of garlic. Put the garlic aside. Using the big cooking skillet, add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Add the onion and the chopped bell peppers. Stir about 2 minutes. Add garlic and stir. About 3 minutes, add a pound of ground beef. Cook the beef until it's brown. Once the beef is brown, add 1 cup of rice. Add the seasoning, which is 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of oregano dried, and 1 teaspoon of basil, which is dry also. Salt and pepper. Keep stirring. I am using half of the tomato sauce that from 15-ounce can. Stir all the ingredients until all mix well. Add about half a cup mozzarella cheese and stir it to incorporate with the ingredient. Now we are ready to stuff the pepper. Using the spoon, scoop the ingredient and stuff it in the pepper slowly. Just do the best. Squeeze the stuffing down so we can make room for more stuffing. Top it with half cup of the mozzarella cheese. This peppers is ready to go in the oven. Set the oven 425 degrees. Once the oven preheated, put the bell peppers in there and bake for 20 minutes. There, the dinner is ready. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please subscribe if you like, and I shall see you in the next video. Thank you very much.